G35 Tech, and we are back for part 2 of Provisions, Cars, and Coffee Pullouts. Hope you guys enjoyed part 1. We're on road to 500 subscribers, and I hope you like, comment, subscribe the video, and I hope you guys like the video. Have a great one. He had to spin back. He know he did. He about to send it. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Send it. Come on. Oh yeah. Somewhat. BMW boys. And a Z and a Honda. Okay. The BMW boys. Okay, this guy looks more like my neighbor, but he going the wrong way. Whatever. The Genesis going crazy. BQ shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dang, he got the slicks on the back. I didn't expect that. Mercedes. I think it's clean. M3. Hellcat. Damn. That boy brand new. GT350. Hey. liked the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I know that was a short one. That was just part 2 and the rest of the pull outs for you guys. I wanted to make sure I got that for you in case other people were pulling out in the second half and wanted to get their video. So we have Hurricane Nicole coming. So we might not have a video on Saturday, which it would be tomorrow. But we're gonna try our best to get a video out for you guys. We would have a Riveters video, so expect that. That actually Sunday, so that would be out Sunday if we do have it. But if you like that video, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.